Greetings from Emirani. My presentation on radiological equipment, that is application of medical physics. Here, this is the electromagnetic spectrum. It shows the range of electromagnetic waves used in medical imaging. Then X-ray falls in the high frequency region and short wavelength region that is suitable for diagnostic purpose. The next radiological equipment covers the equipments like X-ray, MRI, CT, nuclear medicine. Then we also have to know the radiation therapy and safety purpose. Then in that we have seen the particular application like dental X-ray. Here it describes the X-ray imaging techniques used in dentistry with low radiation doses. Then it helps capture internal structure like teeth, gums, and jaw bones. The next components of dental X-ray. Here, the list tools used for dental X-ray is digital flip X-ray systems, then lead aprons and thyroid collars, then ensures both imaging effectiveness and patient radiation protection. The next one is procedure. Here, the first step is the steps includes patient preparation, correct positioning, image capturing with X-rays and image processing. Here, captured images can be digital or film-based. That is required for development. Then types of dental X-ray. Here it is categorized into intraoral, that is bite-wing, occlusion, and periapical, and extra types, that is panoramic. Then applications of dental X-ray. Here the dental X-rays help in detecting issues and assessing oral structures, then planning treatment and monitoring oral health. Then it is vital for preventive and corrective dental care. Then here the experience learning in dental visit. Here the practical exposure is given to students through dental hospital visits and enhances the understanding of real-time dental diagnostic procedures. Here then case studies are given for the students to experience clinical case covering diagnosis, treatment approach and outcome. Then aims to link theory with practical diagnosis applications for dental care. Thank you.